The news broke last week. Tonight, it's official. Oracle is buying North Kansas City-based electronic health records company Cerner. It's the Austin, Texas-based Oracle's largest deal ever, $28 billion. And tonight we have team coverage of what it may mean.
Yeah, regulators still need to approve the sale, which should close in 2022. We begin with Fox 4's Tia Johnson live from Cerner headquarters in North Kansas City. Tia, business experts say they saw this coming.
Yeah, Christelle, this is a significant impact in our city because 13,000 people who live in our area work there. And with the recent layoffs and office properties being sold, business experts say the company really needed this.
News that technology company Oracle was buying Cerner may come as a surprise to some, but Rockhurst University professor Anthony Tocco says he saw it coming.
So if you take layoffs, selling of campuses, what that means is they're having trouble growing.
Tocco says Cerner had the choice of buying another company or being bought after showing signs they were having trouble. He calls this a game changer for both companies.
So this becomes a growth element for Oracle to take all the products that Cerner has and enhance them, make them better so that it improves them in relationship to their competition.
Tocco says now Oracle can grow and tap into the healthcare industry. Meanwhile, Cerner can take on competition it wouldn't be able to on its own. In a statement, Oracle's chairman and chief technology officer, Larry Ellison, said Cerner and Oracle have the capacity to transform healthcare delivery by providing medical professionals with better information, enabling them to make better treatment decisions resulting in better patient outcomes. At times, acquisitions come with layoffs, but Tocco thinks it'll all happen at the top.
Oracle is going to be concentrating on Cerner because that's where their growth is. So Cerner is going to be the big boy with Oracle right now. So that's the important part of this. That's the important part because what it means is no job layoffs. They ain't going to lay off jobs. They ain't going to lay off people.
And Mayor Quinton Lucas posted on Twitter today saying he wants to sit down and talk with Cerner leaders about how this will impact local employees. Also coming up tonight on Fox 4 News at 6, I'll tell you why experts say there is a downfall to this purchase. Christelle.
Tia Johnson live in North Kansas City tonight. Thanks, Tia. Now, the public may hear the name Cerner and recognize it as a major employer here, but its work and history in the metro may be unclear. Fox 4's Jacob Kittelstad joins us now live in the studio, continuing our team coverage with some background on this business. Jacob?
Yes, most people know that Cerner has something to do with healthcare, and they'd be correct. The main trade they work in revolves around the initials EHR. That stands for Electronic Health Records. So who are Cerner's clients? Well, they do a lot of work federally, and their systems are used by the Department of Defense and the United States Coast Guard. In fact, this year, Cerner products went live in about 30 more Coast Guard clinics and sick bays. The VA also uses Cerner products. How about Cerner employees? Well, you might know them as friends and neighbors, but there are a lot more of them out there. According to their 2021 third quarter earnings conference call, they have 25,000 plus employees globally, a number trending downward, especially since 2019. But how goes the money? Well, according to that same call, it's up 23% versus a year ago to $1.8 billion. Some of that growth driven by a different acquisition completed earlier this year. Also, it's important to realize and recognize that Cerner has been a community mainstay founded in Kansas City in 1979. We'll continue that discussion coming up at 6 o'clock, John.